sneeze. Gosh darn it! Wait, are you filming? For God's sake, stop it right now.
Okay, that was one.
Try to carve a duck here. That's not really working out, so.
It looks like a fish. Two. Ow. Okay. 3.
I'm done. I'm done arguing.
Ow. Hurts my shoulder. It's almost what I had yesterday, except I wasn't sneezing as often. 4. Ow! It hurts! Like a lot!
I wanna hurt somebody!
It hurts my shoulder to laugh, but this is too funny.
No, it's not!
Okay, we're only 100... No. Okay.
What?
We're only 1 minute and 25 seconds in. We still...
That's not me. That's my gun. I'm done sneezing.
No, you're not. And you know it.
I'm sexy and I know it, yes.
But you know you're not done sneezing.
Yes, I am.
My shoulder hurts.
That's just a good person, bro.
You know you want to sneeze. It was almost there, too.
Yeah, well,
oh my god.
I'm dead.
You know you want to sneeze. You know you want to sneeze. Here it comes. Here it comes.
No, it doesn't. As long as I breathe it through my mouth, I'm not going to sneeze.
No, cause...
I started! Not funny!
It's totally funny.